As an inspector, we are always looking for things that could be wrong with a property. We are trained to look for cracks, for mistakes. Too many times we bear the burden of delivering bad news. But some inspectors have discovered a way to use their skills and talents to instead create a vision of what could be, to look for the good, to create opportunity, and become the hero. The 203K in a Box program is the #1 system for new and veteran 203K consultants. It's the place you can feel confident, knowing you have a team of experts backing you up. That I'm here to hold your hand. You are not alone in this anymore. We are rebuilding neighborhoods and giving communities new life, one home at a time. You deserve to be recognized as the hero.